Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because Android controls updates there. Make sure battery is above 50% or plug in now. Once done, back up your data using Google Backup or a local export so nothing is lost. Then go to Apps or Installed Apps, tap the three-dot menu and choose Show System Apps. This reveals System Updater entries. You need direct access to the Updater package to uninstall or disable an update, so don't skip revealing system apps. You now locate the updater entry, names vary, updater, software update, or your OEM updater. Once found, tap it and use Force Stop to halt background tasks. This prevents conflicts. Next, clear cache, then clear data to remove downloaded update files and settings. Clearing data often frees the uninstall option. If you see uninstall updates, confirm it. If not, use disable to revert to the factory version. This removes the update layer without rooting. Make sure to confirm prompts. After uninstalling or disabling, reboot the phone so the system settles and you can test stability. You should notice settings or features revert. If an update reinstalls automatically, go to Play Store and disable auto updates, or return to the updater and repeat uninstall steps. If the update persists, boot into safe mode to check for interfering apps. As a last resort, consider factory reset after backup. This removes persistent update artifacts, but is disruptive, so use it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.